Hey everyone and welcome to Geeksvana. Today we have seen the announced launch of a new drone from Parrot. This was of course expected and highly publicised. We now have full details of the $7,000 enterprise drone. The full details are coming up.
Geeksvana is your drone channel.
So, the Parrot Anafi USA is here. The US-built drone designed and built to mix the power of enterprise drones with the portability and ease of use of a consumer drone. This strong and capable drone offers some impressive specs at an impressive price point. Featuring an industry-first 32x zoom, 4K HDR video and FLIR thermal imaging capabilities, the Anafi USA is being marketed as an ultra-portable, secure and durable aerial camera platform. Parrot have today confirmed in a press briefing that at present they only intend to release this enterprise model and do not expect a consumer level drone to be released. So this very much keeps to the new path Parrot committed to last year. Coming up, we've got some clips from the live release, but first, let's take a look at the released video. The live release was hosted by the founder and CEO of Parrot Drones, who confirmed another version of the drone, a military grade one, had further enhancements including military radio on board. He also confirmed that they are taking orders now, although official press releases confirm the drone is available to pre-order from the 27th of July. The release of the actual drone has been confirmed for August. Interestingly, Parrot have also confirmed the app will be based on the Free Flight app recognised by many existing Anafi users, rather than a specific enterprise app. Here are some highlights from the live release today.
So the drone comes in this carrying case. So this is what we provide you for $7,000. Inside the carrying case, you have I'm a software guy, so it's a bit difficult. For hardware is always a bit difficult for me. So you have the drones, you have 3 batteries, 2 spare batteries and the one on the drone. They are smart batteries. I mean, you can charge them with any charger you already do have for your computer. It's USB-C type charger. We also provide a charger. This charger permits you to charge everything together. I mean the 3 batteries, your telephone and the controller. You have the controller, which looks like a video game controller. When you open it, you have the place for the smartphone. And we have the drone. So this is Anafi USA. Very easy to open and very small. And I hope you will like it very much. So thank you very much. This is Paris from the left bank, and the drone is flying, and I show you how much you can zoom with the drone. So you recognize the Eiffel Tower, the Sacré-Cœur. You have at 15 kilometers from this point, and this is the kind of zoom that we put in a 500 grams drone. So this brings a lot of features. It permits really to see a lot of details when you fly your drone. The next feature is to combine this zoom with a FLIR camera. So I show you in the next images. Those are houses in close to Paris. You have the image, which is a combination of the FLIR camera and the visible camera. And this is how the zoom works. You know, you can really zoom into details and having the information from the heat. For example, we zoom to a person who was far from where the drone was flying. So a powerful zoom combined with a FLIR camera. The thermal camera is very useful. It's not only for police and military purpose. The example I will show you now is the zooming. The drone is flying above 40 meters from solar panels, and we are zooming into small defects on the solar panels that can occur, for example, after a storm. You can have small breaks in the solar panels. So you can detect the points where the solar panel has a break. And this is done by solar panel managers after each storm very frequently to manage their solar panels. So the Anafi USA combines 3 cameras. Combining cameras is the most interesting feature in camera making today. Years ago, when Apple has launched the iPhone, the camera makers, the historical camera makers, they were very skeptical about the capability of the phone makers to make good cameras in a so small real estate. And the solution did not come from optics, it came of course from very good sensors done by Sony and FLIR, but it comes from the fact that multiplying the cameras, multiplying the kind of sensors, for example, in our case we have a wide angle, a teleobjective, a thermal camera, multiplying the sensors, mixing the signal with signal processing, you can get a fantastic image. So this is what is done on board the Anafi Thermal. An example, this is a thermal image seen from the windows of our office in Paris. This is a mixing of the thermal image and the visible image by night, and you recognize the buildings, the cars, and a lot of details combining the 2 signals from the 2 cameras. So what else did we add in the consumer drone after the big zoom? We make it hard. We make the drone usable in difficult conditions. For example, we work to make the drone flyable under the rain. This is an example of the test we do in heavy rain. The drone is able to fly, and also we make it fly on the dust. For example, I show you here the drone that we have fly in a box full of sand during 13 hours, and after the 13 hours with the motors turning, the drone was completely functional.
So there you have it, the Parrot Anafi USA, an enterprise drone for $7,000, which will certainly open up the enterprise market for Parrot. What are your thoughts on this drone? Are you disappointed not to see a straight consumer version? Are you an enterprise user who is attracted to the package? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks, and see you in the next video.
Please remember to like and subscribe.
All right, you're still here. No one to see.